If you are craving caramel and popcorn, why not try this simple recipe for caramel popcorn that can be made in your oven? Just a few ingredients and we can have some delicious snackage anytime. Let's head into the kitchen and get started. We'll start by preheating the oven to 250 degrees and lining a baking sheet with a silicone or Silpat liner if you have one. If not, it's no big deal. Set this aside. If you have an air popper, pour 1/3 cup of kernels inside and pop it according to the manufacturer's instructions. If you don't have an air popper, place 1/3 cup of popcorn kernels in a large brown paper bag and fold the top over twice to seal in the popcorn. Microwave the popcorn for 3 minutes or until the popping is about 5 seconds apart. You don't want to burn the popcorn, so make sure to listen to when the popping stops. Just so you know, 1/3 cup of popcorn kernels will give us about 8 cups of popcorn. Pour your popped popcorn into a very large bowl. We will need lots of space for mixing. If you want to add nuts, sprinkle about 3/4 cup of any nuts you prefer. I am using chopped pecans on your popcorn. Before we start on our caramel, please take a moment to hit the like button and consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. I'd really appreciate it. In a saucepan, heat 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1/4 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it is boiling, reduce the heat to low and cook without stirring for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat and mix in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Pour the syrup over the nuts and popcorn and stir quickly to get everything coated. Spread the popcorn onto your baking sheet in an even layer. Bake this for 1 hour. Every 15 minutes, we will remove the popcorn and stir it up. This will further coat our popcorn in the caramel and make it nice and crunchy. After the popcorn has finished baking, toss it one more time, then allow the caramel corn to cool to room temperature. The popcorn will still be a bit sticky, but it'll dry out quickly. Once the popcorn is cool, break it into clusters and store it in an airtight container for about a week. Whether you are craving popcorn, have a sweet tooth, or want to try something new, this is a really good recipe to make at home. You can add nuts or keep it plain. The choice is yours. Give it a go and let me know how it turns out. If you like this video, consider dropping a like and subscribing. See you in the kitchen for more of my cooking adventures.